Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Telgan and today we are going to be filling a sketchbook page with a botanical sketch of Lily of the Valley. This is what the finished piece will look like. The materials that you'll need for this are a pencil, a sketchbook or a piece of paper, a black fineliner pen. I'm using a Uniball Vision Needle Micro Pen. This is my original sketch that I'll be working from for this tutorial. So I started with some light pencil lines just to get the idea of where the parts of the flower are going to be on the page, and I'll be going over this a little bit darker in a couple minutes. I tend to use a light line when I'm first starting the sketch just to get an idea of the placement of the components of the drawing. Right now I'm drawing one of the leaves, and then I'm just going to do a curved line to make the stem of the lower set of flowers, and then I'm drawing the outline of the leaf behind that. The top leaf has a curved line coming out of it as well to represent the stem for the upper set of flowers. And here I'm just adding the smaller stems for the flowers up on the top set. And then the flower itself, I'm just doing sort of like a U shape for the main body of it, and then we'll come back and do the bottom part of the flower. So the lower level set of flowers, I'm doing the same U shape. And then the bottom part of the flower is turned out on each side with a curved line in the middle. And that will make each flower look like a bell. The reason I drew the lines for the leaves lighter in the background is so that I could draw the flower in front of the leaf without having to erase too much. And once we have the shape of the flower drawn, then I come in to add some extra lines to the top and bottom part of it to give an appearance of some texture. And then I just followed the same steps for the bottom set of flowers. Now that the basic sketch is done, I'm going to take my fine liner and go over the pencil lines and add some more detail. I'm going to fill in the stem for the flowers in black, just to make it stand out from the leaf more. The flowers themselves are going to be white, so we're just going to add the outline to them in black, and then some varied lines within the flower for the texture of it. And I followed the same steps for the bottom set of flowers. The details for the leaves are just going to be some straight lines, mostly at the bottom and the top. So you can do them, some of them uniform, and then I'm adding some scratchier lines to the bottom part of the stem of the leaf. Then I'll outline the leaf itself with a darker line to make it stand out better and add some contrast. For the bottom of the flowers that are actually on the bottom of the top section, I've added a thicker black line to mirror the bottom of the flower to make it look a little more three-dimensional. And then I just repeated the process for the bottom leaf and the bottom set of flowers. I'm adding a little bit of hatching to the top leaf underneath where the stem for the flowers joins it, just to add some more contrast, and then I'll do the same thing to the bottom leaf as well. And that's our finished sketch. I'm adding the scientific name for the lily of the valley at the bottom, and then the traditional name that we know it by. I hope you enjoyed this botanical sketch of Lily of the Valley. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of my tutorials shown below. Take care, and bye for now.